Since a young age, I've always been a keen entrepreneur at heart. I recall back during university days, I was buying and selling electronic goods to help pay with studies. Although Altis was registered in 2002, it all really started in 1994 when I started my PhD studies and had the opportunity to work at the famous bone research laboratory at Wits University. During this time, I really was fortunate to co-discover, together with my research colleagues, novel bone induction growth factors, which induce bone formation within the concept of multiple bone growth factors working in synergy to bring about bone healing. It is then that I became interested in becoming a biotechnology entrepreneur. We decided to team up with a private company to do the first experiments to show this concept, and they worked. I was asked to help to head up and start the Center for Tissue Engineering, which is a center at the Tshwane University of Technology, which works with human tissue transplants. Altis was then involved at the center as a management company. And since then, the Center for Tissue Engineering has become a big success. In 2010, I started to focus full-time on Altis Biologics. The idea was to commercialize the new technological developments of the company. In layman terms, we wanted to make animal-sourced tissue compatible for human transplantation. During my work at the center, I had realized that there was a large shortage of human tissue for transplantation. A colleague had told me about Innovation Fund, which is now TIA, and I had gotten in touch with TIA to raise substantial amounts of capital to fund this project. In 2012, we had a further breakthrough when the medical aid companies also agreed to reimburse this product, giving us market access. We have therefore, in a nutshell, created the world's first injectable bone graft substitute made from humanized porcine bone tissue. This product is injected into the patient's bone defect, which then signals to the stem cells in the body to make new bone formation. This is the answer to bone trauma caused in accidents and diseases such as osteoporosis and of course the effects of old age. This product can now replace the current autogenous bone graft procedure, which is very painful, which surgeons are required to remove bone from the hip. This is very morbid and painful procedure, and of course risky because it increases the possibility of an infection. Our dream for the future is to make this technology available and a key product in South Africa, but also to take it offshore to other countries around the world. To do this, one has to comply with certain overseas regulatory bodies and their requirements. These can be quite costly, of course, but once again, we know that with the assistance and support of TIA, we will succeed in this vision as well.